In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your main Figma dashboard. This is where all of your files and projects are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific project that contains the icon you want to edit. When you've found it, click on that project to open it in the Figma editor. After the file loads, you'll see your canvas with all of your frames, components, and design elements. Now, you need to find the icon you want to resize. This could be on a frame, inside a component, or grouped with other elements. Zoom in if you need to, so you can clearly see and select the right icon. Once you've located the icon, click on it to select it. You should see a bounding box appear around it, showing that it's active. Now, instead of using the default selection tool, press the letter K on your keyboard. This switches you to the scale tool in Figma. The scale tool is really helpful because it resizes the icon and its internal elements proportionally, which helps keep the design consistent. With the scale tool active, move your cursor over one of the resize handles at the corners of the icon's bounding box. When you hover over a handle, your cursor will change to indicate you can drag. Click and drag outward to make the icon larger, or drag inward to make it smaller. As you drag, you'll see the icon change size in real time on the canvas. If you want more precise control, you can watch the width and height values in the right-hand properties panel while you're scaling, and stop when you reach the size you need. Try to drag from a corner rather than the sides, so the icon keeps its proportions and doesn't get stretched in one direction. When you let go of the mouse, your icon will stay at the new size. Take a quick look around your design to make sure the resized icon still fits nicely with your layout, spacing, and text. If it looks off, you can press Command or Control plus Z to undo and try scaling again until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've successfully resized an icon in Figma using the Scale tool.